up, peeps? This is your girl Skinny Jenny, and I'm about to make you guys a holiday drink. And no, it's alcohol. It's not going to be healthy. So yeah, let's get into it.
Mook got the keys jumping. Stay down till I can do what I want. Sacrifice the lot, invest in my own. Yeah. Poverty, it didn't break me at all. Hard times, it only made me stronger. I fell down a lot as times got older, but it only made me smarter. Young nigga waiting on his karma. Bench warmer turn to a starter.
So for this drink, you're going to need some ice, of course, some eggnog, no flavoring, like don't get one that has flavor, okay? Some caramel. I'm using caramel dip. I have had this since like Halloween and I never used it. It hasn't been opened. It's still good. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do it, you know, use it this time. A bottle, because I'm gonna put that in there because for our next thing is you have your glass. I'm gonna do some caramel walls around the glass. You're gonna need a 1/4 cup measuring cup for your beverage, your alcohol. I'm using cinnamon because I forgot to pick up nutmeg, and you know how that is, you know. So I'm just gonna use a little cinnamon, and then for the main event, some salted caramel Crown Royal whiskey, baby. Okay, so now you want to start with your ice. Then you want to take about a cup of your eggnog and pour that into your blender glass. Then you want to take 1/4 or maybe 2.5 1/4 cups of your whiskey, however strong you want your drink. Then you want to take your cinnamon, put a little bit in there just to add a little flavor. And then, honey, again, you want to blend for your life. Y'all know I always say blend for your life. There's me dancing and looking crazy, I know. While my drink is blending, I'm going to go ahead and do some caramel walls in my glass cup that I got from Dollar Tree. Now you see me pouring this fabulous drink into my glass. Like I said, I did caramel walls to add a little bit of aesthetic to it. And now I am going to top it with some whipped cream and some caramel. Ooh. And also some cinnamon, baby. Y'all just don't know. This thing is about to be so darn delicious. And this is the finished product. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I had a blast making this. It may seem like a lot, but I promise you it's so well worth it. I hope you guys enjoy, and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.